Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Signing with Omar. Today's video is going to be on colors. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, before we start with the different types of color, let me show you how to sign color. You basically make the 5 hand. If you didn't know this was a 5, I made a video on numbers. Please go and refer back to that. But you make the 5 hand, bring that to the chin, and you just wiggle the fingers on the chin. That's how you sign the color. Now, for the color black, that's the first one I'm going to start with. You make a 1 hand. You take that 1 hand and you extend it above the eyebrow and you go across. Let me show you that from the side. That's how you sign black. Now for the colors blue, green, purple, and yellow. We're going to do those together because they're very similar. They have the same location, the same movement, but just a different hand shape. So let's start with the color blue. You make a B and you just shape that in front of the viewer. That's blue. Now for green, you make the letter G and you shake that in front of the viewer. And for the color purple, you make a P, shake that in front of the viewer. And for the color yellow, you make a Y and you shake that in front of the viewer. Now let me show you that from the side. This is blue. This is green. This is purple. And this is yellow. These are the 4 colors I just showed you. Blue, green, purple, and yellow. Now the next 2 colors I'm going to show you how to do is brown and tan. And just like the other colors, they're pretty similar. So for brown, you make a B, go right there on the face and go down. And for tan, you make a T, bring it to the face and go down, just like you did with brown. So let me show you brown one more time. And for tan, these are how you sign brown and tan. Now for these next 2 signs, which is gold and silver, just like the other 2 prior, they're very similar. So to sign gold, you touch near the ear, go away from the body, and you form a Y. Let me show you that again. That's how you sign gold. For silver, the only difference, when you come away from the body, you form an S. So let me show you. That's silver and gold. The next 2 signs we're going to show you are red and pink. Now to sign red, you make the 1 hand and it goes right up underneath the bottom lip. That's red. Now for pink, you make the P, but the bottom of the P is going to go in the same place that the 1 hand went for the red. Let me show you from the side. That's pink, and this is red. This is how you sign pink and red. Now for the sign gray, very different from the other signs. You take both 5 hands, bring them close together. They don't touch, they just go right in between one another. That's how you sign gray. And now for the sign orange. Now, if you know the sign for milk, which is an S, but you squeeze it twice, see it's away from the body, but for orange, you bring it right there by the chin and you squeeze it twice. Let me show you that from the side. That's how you sign orange. And for the color white, you take the 5 hand, bring it up against your chest and abdomen, and the fingers come together. Let me show you that from the side. That is for the color white. Now I'll go over these one at a time. Black, blue, green, purple, yellow, brown, tan, red, pink, gold, silver, gray, orange, and white. Now, these are just your basic colors. Now, we know there are plenty of colors. So if there is an uncommon color or, other than your basics, what I would do is I would sign color and then I would finger spell what that color is. Okay, so I would just say color and just finger spell it. Now, these are your basic colors. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video and you've learned something. That's also more important. So if you did learn anything, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button, and stay tuned for my next ASL video.